In this video, we will demonstrate how to create a quiz activity and configure the quiz activity settings. To begin the quiz's creation, we must first be in Edit mode. This option is located in the top right of the page. Then, locate the plus beneath the section you wish to add the quiz to, and click the Activity or Resource option. On the activity selection window opening, locate the quiz icon. It is a pink square with checkbox symbols. On selecting the activity, we will be greeted with the quiz display page. The first setting will be the quiz's title, as your quiz needs to have a name. Next, you can add a description. There, you can provide important instructions, details related to the quiz. You can tick the Show on Course Page box to display the description on the course page. In the timing section, you can edit the opening and closing date of your quiz and the time allocated to the person completing the quiz. Click the checkboxes to enable the options you would like to use. The next section is allocated to grading. You can change whether the quiz will be for practice, uncategorized, or contribute to the student's grade, coursework, along with the minimum grade needed to pass, and the amount of attempts a student can make toward the quiz. Next is the layout. This setting allows you to change how many questions are allotted to a page. Now you know how to create a quiz activity and configure the first part of the quiz activity settings. Tune into the second part of this video where we focus on the remaining settings that can be used to customize and finalize your multiple choice activity.